guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is my Dollar Tree craft must-haves. Okay, I asked you all, I think it was last week, if you would be interested in seeing a video like this, and you all wanted to see it. And I tell you, I have my top 20 Dollar Tree must-haves for crafts, but I tell you, I think I could have gone longer. I love Dollar Tree. It is wonderful. So let's get started. Okay, for number 20, I decided that these little vase fillers are perfect. You can do so much with them. You can make it look like a spa in your bathroom and put it in the Dollar Tree glasswares. You really can do so much. You can make it look like rabbits are digging down into the terracotta pots and getting their carrots. So to me, this is a Dollar Tree must-have for crafting. Okay, then number 19, this would be a plunger. Now the plunger part is gone because I've used it for something else, and I will link some of the videos down below where I use some of these products if you want some inspiration. Okay, but these plungers are perfect. I have made trees out of them. I made a beautiful fall tree. You can take this and use it as a handle, like one of those tool work caddies. Very farmhouse, so nice. So this is a must-have. Then number 18, and I really hated to put this back so far, are these little pieces of decor that they come out at fall and Christmas. I just love them. You can use these, and I made a really cute fall picture with this, and I loved how it turned out. But these, like I said, you can do so much. You can either change this or leave it just as it is the side. Great crafting item. Okay, next one would be Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. And one time I was actually able to get a very large one of these. I think I was in Fort Walton when I picked it up. But I love Mod Podge. You can seal things with it. You can decoupage with it. It's a great crafting item. Then number 16 would be these chalkboard tag clothespins. You can make it look like a little carrot patch and stick these up and write things on it. You can do so much with these. If you have a Cricut, you can really go to town with them. Okay, number 15 for me would be their terracotta pots. I have made so many things. You can leave them like this and put designs on them. You can paint this and then put flowers from the Dollar Tree in it. This is so versatile in your home decor, whether you're French country, farmhouse, or even modern. This is a great crafting find. Now you all know I love their homemade cards, their handmade cards, and these are great to craft with. You can cut this out and put them on a board and put jingle blocks around it, which what I've done for Valentine's. You can use them in your scrapbook or your planners. To me, it's a must-have. And then rope. Rope from the Dollar Tree, whether it be this nautical rope or the more farmhouse looking rope, is perfect for your crafts. You can edge containers with it. You can edge your projects with it. You can use it to make things look like they're hanging down. So versatile, and $1. Okay, number 12 would be one of these little containers that you can put your brushes in after you've painted. It really keeps your brushes from drying out, and I love this. I always use it when I'm doing painting. Number 11 would be one of these sanding blocks from the Dollar Tree. I love it. If you have a sign and you want to get some of the glitter off, it's great for that. If you want to distress something using this that you've painted, it's great for that too. And it's just the right size for your hand. And at $1, you can't beat it. Okay, my next favorite from the Dollar Tree would be this great little Dollar Tree floral foam. Either the really tall kind that gets everywhere or this styrofoam like. I have taken burlap, wrapped this, and put flowers and made this a vase. I have decoupage something on this. If you decoupage on it, you want to use the white. because the green will eventually come through. But you can do so much with these, and $1, great find. Okay, Dollar Tree Floral is a must-have for me. You cannot beat Dollar Tree's Floral. It's so pretty and so economical. You can use it in arrangements. So much you can do with the floral. Now also, Dollar Tree frames are great. I just made this with my Cricut, but you can make, I have made terrariums with frames from the Dollar Tree. I have made lanterns. I have made pictures. There's so much you can do. And for $1, like I keep saying, you can't beat it. Okay, glassware from the Dollar Tree is wonderful. You can make candy dishes out of it. You can take this and put fairy lights in these little mason jars with flowers and hang them on your wall. There's just, the possibilities are endless with these. You can paint them. You can leave them plain. They're a must-have. Now, I'm not sure what number I'm on, so I'm going to just say it's 9. Okay, for me, I love Dollar Tree calendars to craft with. Like I said earlier, I took a Dollar Tree calendar and made a fall beautiful DIY, but you can do farmhouse, whatever you want, and you just flip through here. They make gorgeous pictures that you can Mod Podge on wood, or you can put in a frame. There's so much you can do with these. Okay, number 8 would have to be, for me, they're craft sticks. I use these all the time, whether I'm giving support to a back of a project or I want to outline something with this. Craft sticks are definitely a must. Now, I'm back to the wood. I love Crafter Square wood, and these wood planks are awesome. You get 6 to a pack, and if you're lucky enough to find them at your Dollar Tree, you can do so much with them. You can build a box out of them. You can make a sign out of them. You can cut them down and use them to fill in the bottom of a project. So versatile. Okay, number 6 is back with Dollar Tree's Crafter Square wood blanks. Like these, you can make boxes. You can turn them into making fences. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And I love these little like trays. You can turn them this way and have them sitting on something. You can turn them this way. You can leave them flat. Possibilities, once again, with Dollar Tree items is unlimited. Okay, my 5th favorite crafting supply from the Dollar Tree would be this wall creation stickers. I have taken these and applied them to wood to make signs, either vertically, horizontally. You can just put them over a doorway and they add so much to your house. They're really, you can cut them apart and put them in individual little signs. Great to have. Okay, number 4 would be wood dowels. Whether you get the smaller wooden dowels or the larger wooden dowels. I love these. I have taken these and put them in between pictures to give it dimension and to make it look like it's very farm. And with these little ones, you can do a lot too. So if you're lucky enough to find these in the Crafter Square section, pick them up. Number 3 would be, I love the wooden rulers. You can peel this right off. You can take this and use it for a frame, make a frame for your picture that you've done. You can turn them sideways. You can put them flat. There's so much you can do with these. And for $1, like I keep saying, it's unbelievable. Now, number 2 would have to be the tumbling tower pieces, because these are awesome. You can take them and make a border around some decor that you're making, like a picture. You can actually make lanterns out of these. You can do so much, and I always make sure that I have about 5 or 6 of these. They're just so great to have. Okay, my number 1 must-have from the Dollar Tree to craft with would be these. I love these little houses, any of their wood pieces, okay? Going back to their wood, this is great. You can put it on something like a candle holder, which a candle holder is another wonderful thing. I didn't include it, but you can do so much. You can set it on a candle holder, or you can just put this down and put something in here. Wonderful. This right here, now I'm not going to do it because it says a spoiled dog lives here, and Maggie does live here. But you can take this, pop this off, put something else on here, pop this off, just embellish this, paint this, not paint this. It's up to you. These right here, they're beautiful on their own, but you can put something, a scrapbook paper on here. You can decoupage something from a calendar on here. You can paint it and put whatever you want on these. They are great crafting blanks, okay? And the same for these, except you get words with these. You can make lanterns. You can do so much with this. And then this right here, I love these if you can find them. I made a planter out of these. It looks so farmhouse, and I loved it. And then the last number one thing would be this. I made a ladder out of these Dollar Tree wood pieces, and you really cannot tell that it came from the Dollar Tree. I painted it brown. You could paint it any color you want, and just stuck them end to end and then cut them down for the middle. Like I said, Dollar Tree has tons of crafting supplies that are wonderful. So this was my top 20 or so of the wonderful crafting finds that you can find at the Dollar Tree. To me, they're must-haves. I always have them on hand because you never know. You can mix and match these things. You can do so much with them, okay? And like I said, I'll link everything in the description box below with to give you some ideas if you want something to just, a sounding board to jump off of for ideas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Monday for a Cricut DIY. This one is going to encompass using something from Dollar General, and I'm really excited about that. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here she is. Say, I was asleep on the couch. Yes, I was. Say, while Mommy crafts, I sleep when Mommy films. We had some pretty bumpy weather last night, and she didn't get a lot of sleep. So I think she's tired from that too. So until next time, bye guys. Say bye-bye.